Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another Sunday reset. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Katie. I love making all types of reset videos, including Sunday resets, which is what we're doing today. And I'm very excited for it. If my face is all red and splotchy, it's because I just finished ice rolling. I'm gonna put on some of my little eye patches while we talk. But today I'm taking you guys through my entire Sunday weekly reset routine. You can do this on Sunday. You can do this on literally whatever day you want to. But I feel like resets are so important because it really just sets the tone for the rest of the week. And I feel like it just really helps you to have a fresh start to the week. So if you guys have never done a weekly reset before, hopefully this will be able to give you guys some ideas on what you can do for your own reset. But before we do get into the rest of the video, I wanted to say a quick thank you to our sponsor, which is Walmart. And if you guys watch my videos, you guys know I love Walmart. And if you Walmart, you know that you can get the trend without the spend. And I got a few fun products from Walmart last month with some of their trending items. And I got some more this month. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got because I know you guys are gonna love these products. So the first one that I got are these little food containers, and I thought this would be perfect for my Sunday reset because I really like to organize my food. You guys will see in a little bit after I go grocery shopping, I like to clean out my fridge, and then I like to organize all of my produce, my fresh veggies, fruits, everything like that in little containers, and then keep them nice and organized in the fridge because I feel like it just makes everything nice and simple and ready to go if it's already rinsed off and stored. So I grabbed these. This one comes in a little set of 3, and then I also got 2 huge ones because I also like to chop up and rinse my lettuce and my spinach. So I thought these would be perfect to fit those in there since these are a little bit bigger. And I don't think my spinach and like lettuce and stuff would fit in the other ones. So I grabbed these 2. And then the last thing that I got, this is actually a rebuy. If you guys saw my video from last month, you guys will have seen these. We're obsessed with these now. We tried them for the first time last time, and these are the Cradle Calming Bliss Bars. And if you guys watch my videos, you know I have a German Shepherd named Kai, and he is a little high strung and he can get really anxious, especially when it comes to like thunderstorms. And with it being springtime, we're gonna have a lot of storms coming in, and we've had a few, and so we've been using these and they help him so much. So these are really cool. They're like little peanut butter and bacon bit flavored like soft bars for them, and then they have a bunch of really great ingredients that honestly, like if they made a human version of this, I would totally take it. But it has like ashwagandha, it has chamomile, GABA, ginger root, L-theanine, magnolia bark, passion flower, and just a bunch of other really great naturally derived ingredients to help them relax and be a little bit more calm. So we have been absolutely loving these. I know whenever I showed these in my last video, several of you guys also said that you get these for your dogs and love them as well. So these are now a staple in our house and 10 out of 10 recommend. But if you guys do want to check out any of these products that I showed you guys, or if you want to check out any of Walmart's other trending products, they have so many different categories, from baby, they have health, they have wellness, fitness, they have pet essentials, and so many other categories with trending items to choose from. So if you guys want to check them out and you want to get the trend without the spend, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys to shop, and then I'll also have them in a pinned comment as well so you can't miss it. But right now it is about 10:15 a.m. and I slept in until 9 this morning. I watched church, made some protein coffee, and now I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. For breakfast, I am thinking some homemade blueberry pancakes with some yummy blueberry sauce on top. So we'll go make that and then get started with our reset. Okay, just finished breakfast. I devoured the whole thing. That was so good. If you guys have never tried those protein pancakes, please go get them. They're absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my kitchen. I typically like to have everything nice and clean before I go do my groceries. That way I'm not like bringing more stuff in my house whenever there's still like clutter or like a mess on the counter. So that's kind of why I like to do the cleaning portion in the beginning of the day and then the groceries and meal prep, everything like that later. So let's go ahead and get started on the kitchen. Next up, we are going to tackle my bathroom counter. This is just where a major collection of stuff always ends up at the end of the week. So I'm going to put everything away where it belongs. If you guys missed my whole home reset and organization video, definitely go check that out. I'll link it down below for you guys to watch that. I did a huge clean out and organization thing in my bathroom. If you guys do want to see that, see how I organize everything, make sure to go check that out. So I'm going to put everything away, and then I also want to wash all of my makeup brushes. I've been trying to wash them at least once a week because I've noticed that my skin breaks out a lot less, and they are getting pretty dirty, so I definitely need to wash these. And then I also want to wash my hairbrushes. That's another thing that I want to start washing at least once a week, because you can see like all of like the buildup and like the product that gets stuck in your hairbrush and like all the dust in the hair. So I'm going to declutter and then we'll wash those. Okay, and then for my brushes, an easy little hack that I always used to do, I have one of these little like nail brushes that I got online, and you literally just take it and brush it, and it gets all of the hair out, and it helps to get any of the little buildup out. And then anything that you can't get out typically comes out after you soak them for a little bit and wash them. But this is such a great way to get out the majority of it and to also get all of the hair out of your brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna let them sit in the hot soapy water probably for about like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back, scrub them, and then rinse them off, and they will be good to go. And then for my makeup brushes, I'm using this makeup brush shampoo by Eco Tools. I really like this one, it works really well. And then I'm also gonna use this little makeup brush pad cleaner that has like lots of different textures to it, and it has like little stickies at the bottom to suction cup to the sink, so it like stays in place while you wash them. Makeup brushes and hairbrushes are all nice and clean. They're all laying out to dry, but it definitely makes such a difference. Like, I don't know if this is going to focus and you guys can see, but it cleaned it out so well. There's like nothing left in there, so they're super clean. So I highly recommend doing that with your hairbrushes. But these makeup brushes are pretty much dry, so I'm going to go ahead and put all these away, and then we're going to clean the bathroom. Okay, and then the last thing that I'm going to do is vacuum and mop, and I recently found the cord. I used to use this all the time, then I lost the charging cord. This is the Tenneco. It's a vacuum and a mop all in one, so it does it at the same time. So I really love this one and it just works so well. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum and mop my house really quickly, and then we'll go ahead and go get some groceries. Excuse me, Kai. Good boy. Okay, just got back from the store, put everything out so we could do a little grocery haul. So this is a pretty typical haul for me. I am trying to incorporate a lot more like fruits and veggies, and I also got some like fun things as well. So I want to show you guys everything that I got. So starting with my produce, I got some blueberries, I got some chives because I'm going to try to make a vegan chicken bacon chopped salad that I saw on Pinterest. So got some chives for that. And then I also got some avocados. I love avocado on toast. And we're also going to be making some chipotle bowls this week. And then I got some parsley and a Roma tomato for that salad that I'm going to be making. And then I grabbed some bananas, I grabbed an onion, and I also got a big thing of baby spinach. We love making pesto pasta and I use spinach for it. It's just so good. So got that. And then I got some of these Aloha bars. I really like these. I got the mint chocolate one. I'm trying the coconut chocolate almond, and I also got the cookie dough one that's like behind there, and it is so good. So really love those. And then I grabbed some more mush. Shout out to Haley Jensen, or Bebe Hay. If you guys watch her channel, she totally put me onto these. I am absolutely hooked. I never knew that I was an overnight oats person until I tried these, and now we're obsessed, and they're not that expensive either. So I get these all the time. And then of course I also stocked up on some tofu. I go through tofu like no other. I use it for like my taco salads. I use it for breakfast burritos, for breakfast scrambles. So I'm just like absolutely obsessed with tofu right now. And I've really been trying to get in like 140 grams of protein a day. So grabbed lots of tofu. And then over here, I grabbed some more truffle oil because we're almost out. And then I also grabbed some of this raspberry leaf tea, and apparently it's supposed to be really good for helping with period cramps. I get the absolute worst period cramps, so I'm trying to find some like more natural things because I just don't like the way that like taking Advil and stuff makes me feel. It always really hurts my stomach, so I'm trying to find some stuff that provides relief so I don't have to take as much. So I grabbed some of this raspberry leaf tea. It was actually the very last box, so I'm hoping that that means that it works really well and people love it. So we'll report back to you guys on that one. And then I also got some stuff to make pasta. I think that's what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. And then grabbed some of this little Northern Bakehouse whole grain gluten-free bread. I'm not fully gluten-free, but I do notice that I'm a lot less bloated. I have a lot less digestive issues. I just feel like less puffy in general whenever I don't eat gluten. So I've just been incorporating some more like gluten-free options into my diet. So grabbed those. And then I also got some more of my almond milk. This one by Califia Farms is my absolute favorite. It's their 3-ingredient one that they recently launched. So it just has like water, sea salt, and then almonds in it. So it's really clean. And then I also grabbed some of this Uncle Matt's orange juice. This is the like less sugar version. And I really like using this in the morning for whenever I have my chlorophyll. So that's everything that I got at the store. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away, get my fridge all nice and organized, and then I'll show you guys how I get everything nice and organized in my fridge with those little containers from Walmart. Okay, just finished getting everything nice and organized. These little containers worked out so well. I just put my parsley in there. I put some leftover pasta that I had. I put all of my little lemons in here so they're nice and organized. And then these containers weren't big enough to fit all of this spinach. They were the absolute perfect fit for my tofu. So I put those in there, put some apples in there. So they worked perfectly in here. Put all like the avocados down there. Oh, and then also if you guys have never tried this, it's like the new, what's it by? New Baby Bell plant-based ones. These are actually really good. I really like them. So if you guys haven't tried those yet and you used to like those cheeses, I used to like eat them all the time whenever I ate dairy, but definitely check those out because those are actually pretty good. And then I have my vegan chicken down here, and then like all the dog's food. So anyways, fridge is all nice and organized. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner. Okay, so for dinner, I'm gonna be making some pasta. These are my staple ingredients in my pasta that just makes it taste so good. I'm using this chickpea rotini that we got earlier. I love this, it's gluten-free. And the only ingredient is chickpea flour, and it is packed with protein, and it tastes so good. And then I'm also gonna be using this new pasta sauce that we got. It looks so yummy, very excited to try that. And then for the vegan chicken, I'm using this one by the brand Abbott's, and their stuff is amazing. It has the best texture, flavor, everything like that, and the ingredients are also really clean. They don't have any fillers in them or any like fake ingredients, so I really like that because it's super hard to come by that in like vegan chicken. So really love this one. Also has a lot of protein in it. And then I'm going to saute that in some truffle oil, so it's going to be nice and truffle infused pasta. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of the parsley that we got. Usually I like to use basil, but I didn't have any, so I'm just going to use that. But that's what we're making for dinner. All right, you guys, dinner is served. This looks so good. It's been one of my favorite like cozy meals lately, so highly recommend checking out this Abbott's vegan chicken. It is so good and perfect for pasta. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my dinner. I think Austin and I are gonna sit down and watch a movie, cozy on the couch, snuggle with the dogs, and just kind of enjoy the rest of our Sunday evening. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.